Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to read data from encoder by using PLC S7-300 and HMI XP-30 with LS brand, yes. And I will use the software SIMATIC Manager and software HP Builder version 2.0 to configure the project of HMI and download the project to the HMI LS. Okay, and I will show step by step about how to wiring and how to create the block to read the data from encoder by using this input. Okay, so first I would like to explain a little bit about how to wiring the connection of encoder to the PLC input, because it's very important. If we cannot wiring the connection, it means that we cannot read the data from encoder. Okay, and I will use the LAN cable connect from my PC to the PLC, and then another port from the PLC I will connect to the HMI. Okay, and here's the encoder, incremental encoder, that I already connected the power cable and signal cable to the PLC S7-300 input. Yes, so let's go to see the drawing. Okay, here is the drawing detail that I already draw for easy to understand. So for here is the CPU 314C 2PN/DP, and here is the Profinet port or Ethernet port, and here is the Profibus port. Here is the switch on and off for turn on and off the CPU, and here is the H1 of analog module and also not used right now. For terminal H2, right now I will use for connect from encoder, and here is the encoder, just example. So I will use 4 cables, 4 cores, yes, 1 core for supply, yes, to encoder 24 voltage, and here is the minus, and here is the plus, yeah, that connect supply for encoder, and here is the signal from encoder that will connect to the terminal number 2 of H2 terminal, and for terminal number 3 I will connect one more, because we can use for reverse and forward. It means that increase or decrease value, so we need 2 cores of cable from encoder. Okay, for positive voltage I will connect to terminal number 1 of this card, and for terminal number 20 I will connect the minus, yes, of 24 voltage. Okay, so please follow my drawing, otherwise we cannot read the data from encoder. Okay, so when we increase the encoder, the input will turn on, yes. So this is just summarize about how to wiring connection of encoder, yes. So let's go to our software to create the new project of SIMATIC Manager and HP Builder to download to the PLC S7-300 and HMI to read the data from encoder. Okay, so let's go. So first I will create the new project of PLC S7-300. So right click and then create a new folder, example encoder, HMI LS encoder. So open SIMATIC Manager. And then go to create the new project, file, new project. And browse to find the folder that we already created. Okay, HMI LS encoder. And here is the project name, example LS encoder. And then I will insert the object S7-300 station. Okay. And then I will create the rail. Yeah, insert the rail. Let's go to the rack 300 and then create the rail. Drag and drop here. And then go to the power supply. Yes, go to PS 300. And then I'm going to add the CPU. Yes. Right now we use CPU 314C 2PN/DP. This version. And here is the IP address of PLC 192.168.0.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then click OK first. And it has one more for one more card analog. Yes, that I already insert because right now we don't use it, but I just insert it for analog input. So I will create one more. Otherwise, if we download to the CPU, it will fall because the hardware configuration must be matched with the software. Okay. So I will use SM300 AI. And here is the model number. And I will revise the input. The first one is RTD. The second one is RTD also. And the third channel is 4Y current 4 to 20 milliamp. Yes. And we need to use the counter right here. Here is a counter. So to enable the counter, first let's go to channel. Totally we have 4 channels, but right now I use only one channel, so I will use channel number 0. And we need to enable this one. Yes, count continuously. Yes. And here is the address, start from 816. Yes. And the next step I will explain about how to calculate to the convert to hexadecimal. Yes. So click OK and then save the project. Yes, and we need to download the hardware configuration to the PLC, right? So first we need to manual the IP address of computer. So let's go to put the manual. Right now the PLC IP address, PLC IP address 192.168.0.1, right? So we will put the IP address of computer to be matched with the rank of the PLC. Otherwise we cannot ping. We cannot connect from our PC to the PLC, right? So I will put 192.168.0.253. So 192.168.0.253 and subnet mask is the same, 255.255.255.0. okay. And we need to turn off the Windows firewall also. Otherwise we cannot connect. So right now we can use command prompt to ping 192.168.0.1. Yes. So right now we can ping from our PC to the PLC. So we will download. Okay. So right now we already download complete and successfully. So we need to create the block, yes, for read the data from encoder, right? I will use the ladder language. Okay. And I will use the library, yes, standard library block. Let's go to library and go to the standard library. And go to the system, yes, and find the SFB-4T7. Here, SFB-4T7. It is the count continuously. So drag and drop to our network. I will zoom a little bit. Okay. So this is we can comment from encoder and show value on HMI LS HP-30. Okay. So I will use DB1. Yes. If we put DB1 here, it will create automatically here. Yes. And then we need to put the channel number. Yes. So here channel number 0, right? Because right now I just put the channel number 0. It means that I just enable for channel number 0 of the count continuously. Yes. So here I will put 0 because we use channel number 0. Totally we have 4 channels, right? So I will use channel number 0 first. And for LADDR, yes, we can use the address but convert to hexadecimal. Okay. So for the address here, it will start from 816, right? So 816. So we can use the calculator. So 816 convert to hexadecimal. It should be 330. Okay. So here we can put 330. So hexadecimal 330. And we need to show the value of encoder, right? So here count value. I will put another memory, example MD 0. Yes. So we can save the project and then download to the HMI, to the PLC. And we need to download all blocks also. Okay. And then open again. And we can online to see. Okay. And I will use the hand by increase the encoder and decrease. Let's see the signal. Right now I will increase. Okay, let me increase the encoder. Right? It's not working, right? Because of get we not yet enabled. Okay. So I will enable the get switch here. Otherwise it will not working, right? So we need to put the get switch. Yes, with get here. Example, I will put M 10.0 and then download again. Okay, and then I will turn on the M 10.0. Yes, I will turn on, so I will put true and then let's test again. Okay, let me rotate the encoder again. Let's see the value is decrease and increase. Yes. Follow the rotation. Okay. Let's see the input is turned on. Yes. And turn off. So we need to show the value here on HMI, right? So let's go to I will cancel this one first. So let's go to create the project of HMI and then download to the HMI to see the status. Yeah. So first open HP Builder version 2 and then create a new project and let select the serial number of HP series. Yeah. So right now I use HP 30 TTA, and here is the marker. We can use another brand of controller that we want. So right now I will use Siemens AG because we use PLC 300 and I will use 300 and 400 by Ethernet, and go to communication, and here is the protocol. Yeah, so Ethernet, and here is the PLC IP address. So 192.168.0.1. Yes, so correct. So click OK, and then I will change this color to be background to this color. Okay, like this. And then we can read encoder by using the numeric display, right? So click here and then use the and here is the address of encoder of the value of output encoder. So here we have only IW, QW, TW, CW, MW, and DB, right? So we need to convert here to MW, but this one. So let me modify. Actually here we can use the move. I will move this one to MW. Example MW10. Yes. Save the project and then download to the PLC again. Yes. So here we can use MW10. Click OK. And for the format, we can follow this one, 16-bit. And here is the numeric. Yeah. So we can use unsigned decimal. And here is the number of display. It means that this one. Yes. If I increase, it has like this. Okay. 7 digit. So normally I can use only 6 or 5 digit. And here is the decimal. Yes. So we can adjust the display to be good looking. Example, this one center, font, font size, Tacoma, example 26. Should be like this. So I will comment like this. Example, I will use text. Yes. we can adjust, yes, and I will adjust the font size to be 28, okay, or not. It's so big, right? Okay, I will decrease to 24. Okay, then this one link with HMI LS HMI XP-30 TTA. Okay, I will use yellow color. Actually, everyone can adjust the screen, yeah, that we want. And I need to use the one more button, yeah, one more switch for enable the switch gate, right? So let me choose the one more switch. Okay, switch bit. So I'm 10.0, yeah, so we need to put the address. So M 10.0, yes, and I will use the alternate because we need to click and then it will hold the signal. Go to display, go to library. I will use the library, go to all, then I will use this button. I will change the format, yes, like this, and we can adjust, yes. Okay, and then we need to download this project to the HMI, right? So let me check the HMI 192.168.0.2, yes. So we can ping, and then we can save the project first. I will save to desktop and then choose the, yeah, this one, encoder. Then I will download this project to the HMI, yeah, click download and then go to setting, and here is the setting that we will choose the correct setting. So 192.168.0.2 is the IP address of HMI, and here is the network adapter of my PC. So click OK and then click download. So wait a moment for downloading the project to the HMI. Let's see now, downloading. Yes, finish. HMI will automatically reboot after finish downloading. Right now, starting up. Yes, open screen. Okay. So right now, let's see the value of encoder is 65. Yes. Let online the PLC. Yes. 65 also. So if I adjust the encoder, let me adjust the encoder. Yes. The value is not increase and decrease, right? Because we not yet enable the switch gate. So if I enable the switch gate, yes, then adjust again. Let me check the switch gate on or not. It's not on, right? So let me check again here. M10.0 momentary. Okay, I will change to this one and then download again. Okay. And we will test again. It's not on, right? Let me check. M10.0. That's correct. Let me download the block, all block again. I will change this one to M100.0. Yes. And then download again. Because here we use MW10. Yes. So let me adjust this one to M100.0 and then save and then download again. And we will test after we finish downloading the project of HMI to the HMI. Starting the HMI. Okay, finish and go to online and then check again. Okay, the switch gate right now 1, right? So we can increase the HMI. So I will increase. Yeah. Let's see the value is increase, start increase, and decrease. Follow our adjustment of encoder. Yes. Okay. Yes. Decrease. So here is just example about how to connect the HMI LS to PLC S7-300 and read the data from encoder. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.